Many people want to know what WordPress site. This video for them. Plugins are a very important issue for those of you who create website in WordPress. If you can't set the plugin correctly, it can affect your entire website. So today I will talk about some plugins. Hummingbird. If the visitor to your site starts loading the site for more than 6 seconds, the visitor does not want to enter the site. So Hummingbird makes a big contribution to increase the loading speed. W3 Total Cache. W3 Total Cache plugin will increase the loading speed of your site and make the site user friendly. Jetpack. The Jetpack plugin enhances security, enhances site performance, additional features including spam-free comments, social share, related posts are automatically checked. Contact7, a plugin called Contact7 helps you design your contact page anyway. Really simple SSL. After installing SSL on your website, really simple SSL ensures the SSL of each page. 𝗪𝗡𝗧𝗏. 𝗪𝗡𝗧𝗏 will make your page loading speed very fast. The user experience will be better. 𝗪PC Smash. This plugin allows you to easily compose images. Image composing will also increase the loading speed of your site. Table of Content Plus. This plugin will look like a list of points from the header of your content, which help give you traffic and overview of the content. Worst SEO. The Worst SEO plugin is very important for those of us who create sites in WordPress. This plugin does a lot of the work for your on-page SEO. WooCommerce. Those who want to set up an e-commerce site can use the WooCommerce plugin. MP plugin. Now most themes are mobile responsive. Many times MP plugin is needed for mobile responsive site. This plugin is a very useful plugin for WordPress. Akismat. This plugin will protect your site from spamming. It is also called anti-spamming plugin. Sumo Me. This plugin is required for social share buttons on your site. You can use the social share button on any site using this login of Draft Plus. With this plugin, you can backup your website. As a result, if there is any damage to your site, then this backup will work. However, there are some recommended plugins that are not only used, but the fewer plugins you can use, the better. Many times, using more plugins increase the loading speed of the site.